Hi everyone, very good morning. Today our topic is how to run non-GUI mode load test in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, otherwise you can call you need to run the load test in CMD. CMD means it's a command prompt. Command prompt how you need to run the load test. Okay, most of the in JMeter website, otherwise you need to run for the heavy user load based on your hardware configuration. You need to run to the GUI mode. GUI mode, every element you will took the more resources will be used. Okay, that reason most of the time um, your high configuration system also the minimum user load also will be all the memory will be occupied and you not able to run the test. Whenever you run to the command prompt, right, the less memory utilization only or resources utilization you will run more number of users. That is the one way. And another one, any other issues you need to run for the very heavy user load, 10,000 user load, but your hardware configuration is low. That time you need to run to the distributed method. That is different method. I will next my video I will provide that one also. Distributed method how we need to run the load test. Okay, current our target is only how we need to run to the non-GUI mode or command prompt. You need to run to the load test in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, first one, how we need to run, right? First of all, you need to open to the JMeter tool. I will go to heap folder. I will open this one. Just a minute to open. I'm already created the script. Click on open. Go to my heap folder. Okay, this is my script. Webtours underscore script.jmx. Okay, yes, I will open, right. This is my script. Okay, you need to see in thread group, right. I'm already done all the settings. Just you have interested, I will show you everything also. Okay, this is the entire script. You can see starting to end. Every transaction you have a group of requests. Okay. Okay, now how we need to do the non-GUI mode load test, right? First, you can go to the thread group. You can mention to the set of users. Example, number of threads, I will give in 10 users. Ramp up period in seconds, 100 seconds. 100 seconds means 100 by 10, 10 only, right? Now, every 10 seconds, one user will moving to the running state. And loop count, I will select infinity, specify thread lifetime. 600 seconds means it's a 10 minutes I will given. 1 minute is 60 seconds, right? 60 into 10 is equal 600. 600 seconds means it's a 10 minutes I will given the period. Now you need to save everything this one. After what you need to do, first of all you need to open to the command prompt. Okay, now I am already open the command prompt. Now you need to collect some fields. Fields means you can see first of all where it's available JMeter. You need to take the path of until bin folder. Example, you can go. This is the bin folder, right? E Apache JMeter 5.4.1 Apache JMeter 5.4.1 slash bin. Until bin you need to take a path. First one. Okay, I am already take the path until bin. Second one, script path. That is the script E folder only. In E folder, you can drop down. There is a webtour underscore script.jmx. Okay, webtour underscore script.jmx. Okay, E slash webtour underscore script.jmx. I have taken another script also. That path also I have taken. And third one, you can give the location of the path test results. Okay, this is also same. I will given. You need to take e load test 1.csv, otherwise e load test 1.jtl also you need to select. That is your own option. Which option you require, you can take it. Okay, actually I have taken csv. Okay, the way of format, first of all, JMeter space -n space -t. You can provide the path of the script or path of the JMX -l path of the test results. The main you need to use the -n means it's a non-J mode. -t means path of the test script. -l is path of the test results. Okay, this command based only. You need to run to the non-J mode load test. Okay, now I will proceed how you need to do, right. First of all, you already open the command prompt. You can see C users HP, but our path E location, right. You need to type capital E colon, click on enter. You will move into the, now it's a E directory. Okay, after cd space, you can copy this entire path. First you can go to the JMeter bin folder. That is the main one. You can paste, just right click, that is enough. Click on enter. Now you coming to the path until E folder, JMeter bin folder. Now what you need to do, right, just you can directly you can copy this path. Okay, now you copy, right. Okay, you can directly right click. Okay, you need to see now your E folder means E directory until JMeter path bin folder, and after bin I will type to the JMeter -n -t path of the JMX -l path of the test results. Okay, I am already set up 10 user load, 10 minutes duration. Every 10 seconds one user will be ramp up, means moving to the running state. This is our scenario, right. Now you need to see how we need to work to the non-J mode. Okay, now click on enter. Yeah, now you can see create summarizer, right. Created the tree successfully using e webtour underscore script.jmx, and starting standalone test. You can see time also will mention Wednesday December 28 7:42 18 ist. Okay, now test is started. Okay, just you need to wait. Users will be keep on its moving. Just you need to see how you need to run into the non-J mode. Okay, for only 10 minutes. After I will close this one. Okay, now you need to see active to started to 5, 8. Now total 10 users are it active. Okay. Okay, now you need to see the total summary will be provided this place. Another one, it's a period time. Hours, minutes, seconds. Now already 2 minutes done completed. After it's provided to the average, okay, you can see average how much of response time, minimum, maximum, and errors also you can see there are how many errors. Okay, error percentage and error details also, and active threads started finished. There is no any finished, only starting only. Just you can wait remaining 8 minutes to complete this one. Just you can wait few minutes. We'll complete this one. Okay, this is the same wave only. Whenever you run to the heavy user load also, the same tree will be created, and how much of duration you provided, right? The test is keep on running. Okay, and you need to consider one point. Whenever you run to the GUI mode, right? Whenever you require, you able to stop the test. Okay, you able to stop the test. Example, in non-GUI mode, how we need to stop the test, right? There is no any way. Okay, there is no any specific command you need to type to stop the test. Okay, whenever you set up all the settings and run, right, it's a keep on running. That reason, before you running the test, keep on check all the proper settings, everything you completed or not. Okay, that is one. Some people thinking you can go to the task manager, you need to kill, right? Most of the people, you know this one. Just right click the any task bar, can go to task manager. You can see this is the web tool script, right? You can directly you can kill this one. Okay, whenever you kill this one, it stop. Okay, I am already tried this one. Currently I am not able to do running the test, right? I am already tried this one, but it's not work. Okay, once you start the test, it's a keep on running only. Once you close to the in your JMeter test also, the back end, until how much duration you provided, that much duration, once test is completed only the test is stopped. Okay, that reason, before running any non-GUI mode load test, you can check all the proper details you provided or not. Means what is the configuration details, everything. Okay, first check everything clearly 2 3 times, after only you can start the load test. Otherwise the time is wasted only. Yeah, in remaining 2 minutes it's complete the test. Yeah, remaining last 1 minute, you can complete this one. Okay, now you need to see tidying up. In Java terminology, tidying up means it's completed. Okay, and end of the run also. Same. You can provide at this time exactly which date is Wednesday, December 28, and the time also. Okay, IST time 7:50 to 22, and you can see starting time 7:42. 7:42 to 7:52, total 10 minutes the test is executed. Now completed, you can see active 0, started 10, finished also 10, it's completed. Okay, this is the way you need to run to the your non-GUI mode load test. Okay, this is the just 10 user load, that reason I am directly I will run the test. But in your general practicing purpose in your system, you can use minimum below 20 30 user load only you need to use, otherwise system will be slow. Backend there are so many logs will be created. Okay, you can use minimum load only. Whenever you run to the in real-time applications in office, that environment, based on the hardware capacity, you can run how many users you required. But you can check non-GUI mode before running, right? How much of user load, ramp up and period durations, and what are the test data you provided, all the related check details before only you need to check before starting the non-GUI mode test. Otherwise everything you set up, just you can run 1 minute, otherwise one iteration, one user only you need to run, able to working as expected or not, it's working fine, no issue. Yeah, after only you can proceed to the your original user load. Okay, maybe guys you understand now how the non-GUI mode load test you need to work and how we need to proceed that one. Okay, now you can see the test is completed. Okay, once the test is completed, right, I'm already provided to the e colon load test 1.csv. This is the output location. Now you need to go. You can see our load test results. Load test 1.csv file. Just you need to open all the entire test results. It's available. Okay, that pass or fail, that is secondary matter, but you able to get the results. Guys, you need to understand one important point. Now you need to see it's totally errors is 5 and there are so many errors 100%, right, means the test is failed, all the requests are failed. 1 second, you can see non http response code was.apache.http con http host connection exception, everything is same error, right, the meaning is I am only doing one of the mistake. The mistake is this is web tour application, right, in web tour application you need to run to the this web tour server. Okay, I by mistake I did not run this one. Now you can see starting the web tools Apache server is now running. Okay, now you need to run one more time. Okay, just a minute, you can close everything. Just a minute. Load test 1, you can delete it. Load test 10 also you can delete it. Okay, now you need to, server is already run, now is working. You can see server starting the web tour Apache server, right. Now what you need to do, right, you can go to command prompt. It's already completed test. Okay, last time I am did the mistake. The mistake is errors, you can see keep on errors only. Okay, now you need to see how the same test only. Just click on to the above arrow in your keyboard, there is a above arrow is available, right, left, right, top and bottom. The top arrow just you can press before what is the you given, right, same only path you will provided. Okay, now how you need to do, right. Okay, now you need to see the provided, okay, path location. Okay, now you need to run to the test in same test only. You can see JMeter -n -t path of the JMX -l path of the CSV. Okay, now you need to run and you need to see how we need to able to work that one. Okay, now the test is running, right. You can see the created the tree successfully using e colon web2.jmx. Now we need to see able to working without any issues. You can see the error percentage is 0. Okay, the error percentage is totally 0%. Active to started to finish at 0. Okay, it's already running, right? It's only 1 minute only. This is the throughput, right? This is the throughput, how much of response you need to get. This average response time, minimum and maximum. Error percentage, you can see it's only 0% only. Active only 2 threads, now 5 finished, there is no nothing else, it's a 0 only. Okay. Okay, now you need to proceed remaining 9 minutes only. Please wait that one, it's complete the test. Okay, please hold on, now it's running, keep on. And before, you need to go to the E folder and you need to check it started or not.
अभी इज्जत को देश इज्जत को न बनी
Aí ele ce e guarda cu guarda. Gazar cu.
सारी
Okay, now the load test one, it's already started, right? Just you can wait for few minutes, the test is completed. Okay, now the test is running, right? You can see remaining 8 minutes, the test is complete. Yeah, once completed I will show you the test results, final one. Okay, it's totally 2 minutes only, remaining 8 minutes, it's keep on running the test. Okay, just you can wait for a few minutes, we'll complete this one. Okay,
Emma, stai dalla barra.
okay, now it's completed 3 minutes, right? Remaining 7 minutes will be done. Yeah, the test is completed. Just you can wait for a few minutes only, it's not more than. Okay, remaining 6 minutes. Now you need to see the error percentage, everything is 0 only. Okay, now it's working without any issue, it's running.
अभी ये कोई कोई
Tutto è inizio, tutto è inizio.
Okay, remaining just 5 minutes only to complete the test. Okay, in this summary will provided. This summary means its total details will provided. The time period, hour, minute, seconds. This is the throughput will provided, and average response time, minimum, maximum, error percentage, active, started, and finish. These are the general details only will provided to the JMeter non-GUI mode for load testing. Just remaining 4 minutes. The test is complete.
ఇదేం కిందనే పడింది.
Okay. Okay, remaining 4 minutes. We'll complete soon this one. Okay, remaining 3 minutes only. Almost I completed this one. Okay, remaining completed stage. Okay, just you can wait few minutes. We'll complete the test soon. Okay. Yeah, remaining just 2 minutes only. Okay, just remaining 1 minute. It's complete this one. All the test. Okay, now it's almost completed. You can see tidying up right. End of the run. It's the test is completed. Total 10 users started and 10 finished. Right now the test is completed. Okay, you can see starting to starting to ending. The error percentage everything is 0 only. Now it's a valid test and path is e folder load test 1.csv, right? You need to check to the output. Okay, you can see this is the load test 1. Okay, the load test 1, right? It's a keep on running. Okay, now you need to see the same response. Now you can capture it this way. Okay, now you need to see the first one is a timestamp, but timestamp it's not provided proper format, but elapsed time. Elapsed time means total wrap up duration ramp down, right? Ramp down time only it's provided. Means how we need to take the minimum, average, maximum response time. In elapsed time you can take the minimum is a 0 now, minimum value 0, maximum 3728, 1000 milliseconds is 1 second, that is an 3.7 seconds. Minimum you need to take, yeah, 1.55 seconds, 1.5 seconds I will take it. Okay, that is the minimum, average, maximum response time. Label label it's provided to the full all the transactions list. Transactions means all the request whatever it's available application, right? If everything is showing. After response code, everything 200 only, it's a success only, no issue. And response messages, you can see everything it's okay, but some transactions, number of sample in transactions 2, number of sample, there is no fails. Okay, there is no fail, but number of transactions will provided 2, 6, 7, 8, that way it's provided, there is no any issue. Thread name means what is the thread's name, user load name. Okay, 1 bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is the only the thread names will be provided. Data types most of the time it's available bin and text type, bin and text only. Success rate everything true, no issue. um, Failure blank only, there is no fails. Bytes means how much of the files, means request size, how much of size only hit to the request to server, and how we need to back to the, you can get the response, that the byte size only will be mentioned. And group of threads total 10 users, right? Yeah, total 10 users only, there is no more. All threads also it's the same way, 10 only. Okay, URL means the application URLs. Okay, application URL means this is the URL, HTTP, our local IP address, and provided to the web tour application path or login page, everything same only. most of the people most of the people, you know this one latency, right? Latency means it's a network bandwidth based only. You need to send the request to in server, and you need to receive back to the server, the network bandwidth. Okay, some most of the time performance testers will be considered latency also. Whenever latency it's the bandwidth is very low, right? It's not able to send it to the more number of requests to the server, not able to receive the more number of response. But how we need to receive back the response, right? The latency increase only you able to receive. Ideal time is it's a normal time, you did not perform any specific request, that is the period time only will provided. Connection, the connection means it's not a server connection, sorry, this is not a database connection, this is a server connection. Hit to the request you need to send to the server. Okay, that connection only. The connection timeout, you can see how many connections available. Okay, 0 means it's almost means 0 seconds only it's connected, otherwise remaining more number of request handling time, how much time you need to wait that one. Okay, these are all the details. Now what are the test results will provided, right, through non-GUI mode. All the test results looks good, no issue anything. Okay, everything it's acceptable. Now the test is pass. Okay, base run, base run. Okay, base run this request. Okay, now you can close this excel. The test also it's pass. Okay, maybe guys now you understand, right, how we need to run to the non-GUI mode load test, and how we need to work, and how we need to get to the results also. The analyzing and the remaining you need to prepare the performance test reports. I will provide my next video. And the remote and distributed load testing also in non-GUI mode I will provide to the my next video. Okay, now our topic, how to run non-GUI mode, how to run non-GUI mode load test in Apache JMeter tool. It's completed. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. I will connect to the my next video and provided to the another informations. Thanks everyone. Bye.